How to block someone's posts on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block someone's posts on BeReal. First open BeReal and now go here and list and now just type here uh, like any username you want, like this one. Then click these 3 points here in the top corner and now click block post. Here is it, and that's it. And you can report if you want, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.